shows a large section of the country almost entirely blanketed by clouds.
The way it is, I don't know that my place is going to be shut down. No city.
This is probably going to be one of the more disruptive storms for the United States as a whole we've seen in the last 10 to 15 years.
Something upstairs,
Your
maybe?
bathroom.
Oh, the bathroom?
Because that one would probably be the farthest height-wise.
This one or the bathroom upstairs?
Upstairs. I think the pipes would have traveled farthest to get up to that one.
Yeah, that's, oh yeah, because we'd have to go up.
Named after your husband. And she's like, well, if it's anything like my husband, it's gonna be a wild one. And I was like, yeah, that's right.
Storm, because it's just snow. But this storm would kill like 800 people in Texas. They're not prepared. They don't have the insulation. You know, it's tragic, and I'm not, like, no disrespect to the families of the people that died in Texas.
This is a good start.
People that died in Texas during that snowstorm.
There's a snowstorm?
But come on, you guys got like 2 inches of snow, dude.
To be fair, though, are there houses built for that kind of thing, though?
No!
Dear, that she's a bit of a... It's so stupid.
Bro, that's all those motherfuckers do is complain.
Sticky for like the last couple hours.
Yeah, no need to cause 2 of them. I freaking hate
Are they all stopped right there?
They're going just slow. They got their warning lights on.
We are in a state of emergency.
They should national broadcast Mary Poppins so everyone can calm down.
Why do the fire trucks sound so excited?
Be scared, be scared.
Woo!
Wait, I don't know if Alex wants this. I am not gonna test this car.
L is for Lord Huron. M is for Mommy Maverick Marijuana. N is for not as good at Overwatch. And O is for Overwatch, bad at. And P is for Party Animal, parentheses, bad at Overwatch.
The sun will rise and we will try again. Stay alive for me.
It's really bad. It's so bad. Maverick fucking died. Oh my fucking God. But nobody knows it's this bad. Oh, it's just 3 to 5 inches. My ass. My fucking ass. I've been out there. You haven't. Why are you looking at me like that?
It's not.
Don't look at me. Don't fucking look at me. I'm so serious right now.
So he's
He's fucking dead. Dead?
He's dead?
He died. He's dead.
Like, how can you tell, though? Did you make sure? Where is he?
I felt up on him a little bit. He's dead.
You did what?
Why? No! Why?
Oh my god.
This looks bad.
Oh my god, why? No!
I'm gonna fucking throw up.
Trent's gonna think I'm a pussy.
Okay.